Hello world of YouTube, it's Chef Billy here. Today we are going to be making a Mediterranean salmon dish. A good healthy meal for the entire family. So without further ado, let's get cooking. Okay, in a small bowl you're going to want to mix the following ingredients. Some ground oregano, some dill weed, some crushed rosemary, some garlic, the zest and juice from a lemon, enough olive oil to make it into a paste. Alright, with a small brush you're just going to want to cover that salmon in that paste as much as you possibly can. Make sure it's spread good and evenly. Add some cherry tomatoes, green onions, and lemon slices, and this is ready to bake. Let's slide this baby into the oven and we'll cook it 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Alright, and this is the finished result. Also serving this with some cheesy bread and some steamed rice. Without further ado, let's eat. Overall, this turned out to be a delicious meal. The salmon was perfect and all the ingredients went well together. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, give me a like, share, and subscribe and all that. And until next time, stay happy.